Hey y'all, we're going on an adventure to pick some aloe. I planted some aloes right here. So, what is up, Hardies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove poison from the aloe vera plant. Yes, I said poison. Many of y'all purchase aloe vera from the store. So you don't really have to worry about the poison. Most of the poison is already out, if not all. So today I'm going to show you guys how to properly remove the poison from the aloe vera plant. The poison is called aloe latex, okay? This could be found under the plant skin. It's like yellowish color and it's very stinky. It smells like medicine. So I'm gonna cut this aloe leaf right here and I'm going to show you exactly what the poison looks like. This poison has a chemical compound that they said can cause cancer. If you accidentally ingest this, you could get like extreme case of diarrhea. I'm not sure it could kill you, but if you get cancer from it, I'm sure cancer could kill you. And that's something that we don't want at all in Jesus' name. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean this, how to before you use it, to avoid irritation, to avoid getting cancer, to avoid extreme diarrhea. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean this properly. Now it's it's very easy, very simple. After you pick the aloe vera leaf, you want to put them standing, right? Just how I have them in this container, you're gonna put them standing up. That way all the liquid drains out from the aloe. Okay, so you have it, it's like gravity, all the poison substance is gonna drain out from the aloe. After you leave that for a while, you're just gonna give it a nice wash off the leaf, wash off the poison, just give it a nice soak. Okay, so right here, I'm just taking a paper towel and clean off the bottom. I actually smell it. This is my way of making sure all the poison is out of the plant. So I go ahead and I smell it. If it still has that strong odor, I just go ahead and I leave it drain out some more. I don't recommend soaking it in water because if it has poison in the water, you're pretty much soaking the aloe in the poison, if that makes sense. So I don't really like soaking it in water. I just like washing it off and letting it stand, letting all the poison drain off. Most of the poison is usually under the skin. So if you keep it standing, it drains out of the skin. So I go ahead and I let that stand. I actually let it stand overnight. I gave it one more wash and then I let it stand overnight. Okay, so it's the next day, so I'm just going ahead and cutting the edges, the sharp edges off of the aloe, and I'm just going to remove the aloe gel from the leaf. Be very careful. So I cut the top off first, and then using the back of the knife, I go ahead and I cut the aloe gel out of the leaf. I like to play with it. It's so slimy and fun. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's how to clean the aloe. That's how to take the poison out of the aloe and go ahead and use that. I love using aloe in my hair. Aloe vera is one of those plants that is good for everything. So I will have some more videos using my aloe coming up, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.